Good morning, my name is Martin, I'm product manager at Avonic, and today I'll be showing our CM70 series cameras. We've introduced it already last year, but now it's finally finished and it's shipping actually. And one of the main features about this camera is that we've gone through a lot of processing, a lot of information from the market, and we've built everything into this camera to make it as interoperable as possible. So we've included protocols like SRT, so secure, reliable streaming for encrypted video streaming over any IP network, including public internet. We've included low latency IP streaming for RTSP, so we can get latencies as low as 50 milliseconds end-to-end with this camera. Making it a camera that is really capable of being used in a lot of different environments. So especially for conferencing, so large conferences, where you have your delegate posts in combination with our cameras. You can do live shots of the people in the meeting and show it in a screen behind them, and you won't have much issues with the latencies as you would normally have. So low latency IP streaming is really an important part of these cameras. So our vision is basically to make a camera that's as interoperable as possible, using open standards that does not require any extra fees or licensing keys or anything like that. So you won't have to pay much extra on top of the camera to get your protocols that you need for your installation. So that's really one of the features that we are showing this year at our booth. So if you want to have more information, please visit us at www.avonic.eu. Thank you for watching.